The Vongrasig 5-piece patio set is crafted with a robust powder-coated steel frame and hand-woven resin wicker, ensuring it can withstand all weather conditions for a long-lasting outdoor experience. Featuring 3-inch thick, lofty sponge padded cushions, this sectional sofa offers exceptional comfort, making it perfect for relaxing and entertaining guests in your outdoor spaces. Designed for convenience, the patio set includes a water-resistant wicker and a removable tempered glass top for the coffee table, allowing for easy cleaning and maintenance. This versatile patio set can be rearranged into different configurations to suit your needs, with the ottoman doubling as extra seating or part of a chaise lounge. The set includes 1 armless sofa, 2 corner sofas, 1 ottoman, and 1 coffee table, providing ample seating for your porch, backyard, or garden. Measuring 77 by 26.7 by 24.8 inches, this compact set is perfect for smaller spaces while still providing a stylish and functional outdoor seating solution.